Did you already start recording?
I haven't done this in a long time.
Yeah! Yep, that's me.
What's up? What's up, y'all? It's me. I may be a little bit awkward in this video only because my friend is sitting right next to me and I never talk to myself. Yeah, you can see you. Usually I talk to myself like when I'm by myself, but like. Alright, so I know what y'all are thinking. Tina, why do you look that jacked? Why do you just look so damn swole all of a sudden? Well, it's the tank top, but it's also the fact that I've just been pumping iron on the regular, like all the time. That's just all I do. Eat, sleep, breathe, gym, tan, laundry, that's it. And TikTok. Good segue. Today what we're doing is we're gonna be doing TikTok dances, but to royalty-free music. And I, being the TikToker that I am going to teach you the way that I do these TikTok dances. They could be wrong, but to me they're not, so that's all that matters, okay? Awesome. If you want an update on me, everything's going well. My dad is getting a kidney very soon. I am very well. I've been working out. I've been doing my thing, hanging out with my friends, just chilling, cleaning the house, you know, just the regular. All is going good. I feel good. I feel great. So let's just do this. Come on. All right, y'all, we're gonna start. First, I'm gonna teach you how to do this one. I don't know what this one's called. This is the devil dance is what I call it. But it goes like this. It goes, what is this called? A pergola?
Pergola.
Is that right?
Pergola.
Pergola. So pergola, open pergola, punch, punch, ha. Easy, right? Pergola, open pergola, punch, punch, ha. I put my leg up, you don't have to. But then you take this hand, hello, and you grab it, and you go, whoa. And then you go, boom, boom, like that. Left-handed hitter, right-handed hitter. Just practice this if you want. Just sit here and just vibe. It's good for the obliques. It really hurts. I might have asthma. Why do I wheeze like that? So let's practice, right? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pergola, open pergola, punch, punch, boom. Grab 1. Left-handed hitter, right-handed hitter. See, this is easy. Y'all are doing great. Then you go around the head, peace sign, okay? Because all we want is peace. We want love, not war. Peace, peace, not war, war. It's peace, peace. Easy. Ready? Pergola, open pergola, punch, punch, punch. Whoa, 1. Overhead, peace, peace. Wow, look at us. So next, after we do peace, peace, your hands go here and you go forward, back, right, like a triangle, like an obtuse triangle. Boom, boom, boom. Just do this motion. Just feel it. I'll feel it. And once you get to the third part of the triangle, you cross your hands and this arm goes around and you put your purse on. See how smooth that was? Wow. Wow, easy, so cute, so fun. So triangle, and then from here, you go boom, boom, devil horn, devil horn. Y'all see that? But when you do the devil horn, kick your leg up like this. Easy. Now let's do it to royalty-free music. Here we go, 1, 2, pergola, open, punch, punch, punch. Whoa, whoa. I messed up again. I'm like, follow me, I know what to do, but I can't do it. Okay, pergola. Y'all see that? I don't know what my face looked like during that, but next one. Okay, so this is what I call, because I made it up, renegade, me. I am in charge of this dance. Renegade's easy. It goes boom, clap, fish, wave. You get that? Let's do it again. Boom, clap, fish, Jesus fish. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Philippians 4:13. Boom, clap, fish, wave, and then you go backhand, stop. Stop. Next, after we boom, clap, fish, wave, backhand, stop, punch. I'm not talking like, oh, I'm talking about like that. Like, I'm talking like punch. Punch, ladies. Come on, Zumba. Punch harder, Rebecca. After we punch, then you go forward. Literally just like I might throw up, but I'm just kidding. And then you go, you make another triangle. When you finish the triangle, cross your arms. Just cross your damn arms. So it goes boom, clap, fish, wave, backhand, stop, punch. Redo it because you didn't punch hard enough. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boom, clap, fish, wave, backhand, stop, punch. There you go. I see you working. Now we're cooking with gas. Let's go. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, ready? Ha, ha, do, da, ha, whoa, renegade, forward, forward, right, cross. And then when you cross, you go hip, head. Usually they go like that, but that's ugly to me personally. Ready? 1, 2, 3, boom, clap, fish, wave, backhand, stop, punch, forward, forward, right, cross, hip, head. And then what I do here is I go head, head, dab.
I'm waiting.
I'll wait. You have something to share with the class? Thought so. Back to where we were. Head, head, boom. Got it? Okay, so from the beginning, everybody, come on. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, clap, fish, wave, backhand, stop, renegade, 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 boom. Gotcha. I messed up. Renegade, renegade, renegade. And then hip, head, da, da, da. And then after that, you go, is there another punch? Oh, yeah. So after all that, after this, you go again, another punch. You know what to do. I'm not going to explain it. And once you go here, you go, wah. You get that? Wah, boom, wah. And then it'll go ha, ha. And then so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Easy. Now let's do it to royalty-free music. Ready? Easy, right? Next is for all you ladies with the, como se dice, cake, big booty women. I personally have never been one of those, so I don't know like really what the whole hype is about, but I'll let y'all shine this one. This is for y'all, I get it. Okay, so this, easy. Hands up, don't make fun of my armpits. Hip, hip. I don't know if y'all can see that because I have black pants on. Ready? Watch what I'm doing. Watch what I'm doing. Hip, hip. So it goes, dun, dun, and then body roll, hey. And then you go here, and you're just doing your, oh my gosh. And then all of a sudden you're like, oh my God, I'm so shy. Got it? Let's do it from the top. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, hip, hip, body roll, whoa, huh. Oh wait, I'm shy, great. I want you to know that you're doing a great job. And if your heart's not pumping right now, then you're doing it wrong, so do it harder. I don't know if I'm actually doing this dance right, but this is all I did. So it goes, boom, boom, dun, 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 ha, 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 ha. Oh, and then go. Whoa, self-defense, Muay Thai lesson 1. Man comes up to you at a bar. You don't want them there. What do? You elbow him and then you run away, right? Now do it from this side. Ah, he's coming, I'm scared. Elbow, run away. Elbow, run away. You're playing volleyball. Somehow the ball is coming directly horizontal in a stream, like just a beeline. What do? You elbow it and you spike it over. You elbow it and then you spike it over. Easy, done. Let's do it. No, we're not done. So let's put all this together. It goes like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Da 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 da. Hey, wait, look at me. No, wait, I'm shy. And then elbow, safety, elbow, spike. Great. And then you go, yes, extra rock on. And then you do this crazy hand thing, which I don't know if I'm doing it right because it doesn't feel right. You put your wrist out like this, and then you put your other wrist on top of it, and you just do that. Hold up. Yeah, you just do that. Yeah, you just do that right there. See that? What I just did? Just do that. Now from the top, ladies. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa, whoa, this. Oh no, I'm shy. Boom, safety, boom, bumps that spike. Rock on, weird little hand thing all the way up here. I don't know how people do it so well, but that's it. Just throw your hands up, have a good time, let loose, live, laugh, love. And then after that, you just go boom, clap, knee, knee. I'm not sure what happens here, but they do this, but I just keep going knees. Just over and over again. Okay, so let's do it to some music. Okay, ladies, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa, whoa, rock on, hands, hands. Easy! See how easy it is? Even the birds love it. Next, everybody knows this one. Everybody knows this one. It's the why don't you say so one. So basically what you do, X, no, no. First step, done, y'all got it. And then something like that. Just somehow bring your hands up to here. So, didn't even. And once you're up here, you go, notice, notice, notice. So didn't even notice. And then once again, punch. Ready? So did not know this, bum, bum, punch, punch with both hands. Imagine if you went up to somebody and you just went boom. Imagine the strength behind that, boom. You see that? Boom. So it goes like this. No, hands up, stupid, stupid, punch, both punch. And then from both punch, you go, whoa. How cute. You see that? Whoa. One more time. Whoa. Let's do this one quietly. It goes, no, hands up, stupid, stupid, punch. Both punch. Hands roll. Ha. We're on the ground, push up. On the ground, push up. So from the beginning, everybody, it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Hands up. Stupid. Stupid. Punch. Both punch. Roll. And take it easy when you roll. Take it easy. You wanna go roll. Just take it easy. It's only a game. Why do you have to be mad? So after you roll, then you go here, push up. What? Here, push up me. Here, push up who? You got it? And then you just spin out of the frame. So let's do it with some royalty-free music. Y'all know this song. One more time. Feel it, just feel it in your bones. And then it goes like this. No, hands up, stupid, stupid, punch, double punch. Whoa, sweet. Here, push up. What? Spin. Now let's do it without me talking, because I talk way too damn much. This one's probably my favorite because it's the easiest, but it's so fun to do because you can do it to like every other song. So it goes like this. You start with your hands on your hips. Like, oh, that's me. I am her. I am him. I am they. Whatever you want to be. Let's take a breather, actually. Let's take 5. So this one, you start with your hands on your hips. So it goes right, left, right, left. Once you get to your left, you slam your hand down. I'm over it. I've had enough. We're getting a divorce. I'm keeping the kids. So right, left, keeping the kids. But wait, I want the money too. Easy. So let's do it all together. It goes right, left, I left with the kids. Same time, simple. From here, but wait, and this hip goes forward, and you go, I want the money too. So this hip should be popped out with this elbow. Got it? So let's do it all together, ladies. Ready, buddy? 1, 2, 3. Right, left. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. And from here, your hand goes here, and this hand goes here. And you go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I work at Waffle House, I'm cleaning the counter. And add all those steps together, ladies. Ready? You ready? Come on, ladies, keep that heartbeat pumping. What are you doing? That's not dancing with me. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, up. This way, Waffle House, counters. From here, both your hands flick up. Like, ew. So from here, you go down, and then you're gonna wipe the blood off the belly button piercing. Wipe the blood off the belly button piercing. Wipe it with antiseptic. Don't get your belly button pierced. That hole lasts forever. That's just my preference. You can do whatever you want, actually. I don't care. Just keep in mind that there will be a hole there forever. Paris Hilton told me that. Anyway, so let's start from the beginning, because I'm really confused as to what I'm doing right now. Okay, so it goes right, left, right. I'm taking the kids, but wait, I want the money. 2, I work at Waffle House, I'm cleaning the counter, hands up. Antiseptic, wipe the belly button. And then this one, antiseptic, wipe the cartilage piercing. I'm pretty sure it just goes like that. With me, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hip, I'm taking the kids, but wait, I want the money too. I work at Waffle House, I'm cleaning the counter. Wipe the belly button piercing with an antiseptic. And then you go here, and then you go this. It's easy. Wrist. So after wrist, wrist, you go chin, chin. So wrist, wrist, chin, chin. Wrist, wrist, chin, chin. Easy. You literally just go wrist, wrist, chin, chin. And if you're not understanding, that's all right, because we all learn at different speeds. And I want you guys all to feel accepted here, but just try a little bit harder.
Just try a little bit harder.
You're just doing it wrong. So from the beginning, ladies, 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, right. I'm taking the kids, but wait, I want the money too. Waffle House, counters, wipe the belly button with the antiseptic, wipe the cartilage with the antiseptic, boom, 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 boom. And then after chin, chin, you literally just go 1, 2, and then you just start like doing your own little Jessica Rabbit thing. Let's do some royalty-free music. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. And see, we're all dancers. You can all be dancers if you want to be a dancer. Just do it. But yes, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a good time. Shout out to all the incredible royalty-free music that I get to use, you know, while doing my job. If you guys want to see something like this again, you can just like let me know and I'll do it for you, because that was really fun and I had a great time, and I didn't do cardio today, so I just got my cardio in. Cardio girls. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want. You don't have to, but it would be cool. Comment what you want to see next, and if you want to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, those are the only other platforms that I have. I have Twitter, but I don't use it. I don't have that much to say, so I think that's it, y'all. I think this has been fun. I think that this has been real, and I think that this was really fun, period. I'm not even gonna apologize for not posting for a while, because like it's tired, it's old. Like literally just tell me to grow up and I'll grow up. Thank you. Love you. Bye.